In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the font color in Weebly. Let's get started. Sign into your Weebly account and open the website where you want to change the font color. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. Navigate to the page that contains the text you want to edit. Click on the text element, then highlight the word, sentence, or paragraph you want to change. A formatting toolbar will appear above the selected text. Click the text color icon, which looks like the letter A with a colored line underneath it. Choose a color from the available options, or select a custom color if you want to match your website's branding. The new color will be applied immediately to the selected text. Preview your website to make sure the text looks the way you want. When you're happy with the result, publish your website to save the changes. That's how to change the font color in Weebly. Thanks for watching.